In the world of academia and study, a presentation is often your only chance to make a strong impression. But the reality is, designing takes too long, researching is exhausting, and the final result might not be professional enough. This is the challenge almost every student faces. But what if we told you there's a way to finish an entire professional presentation in under 15 minutes? Introducing Kimi Slides, your intelligent academic assistant powered by AI. The first feature that will save you hours is instant creation. No need to start from scratch. Simply type your topic in one line and watch the magic happen. Kimi analyzes the prompt and defines the perfect structure for your presentation. It's not just about filling the screen with text, it's about intelligent organization. The AI ensures an optimal hierarchical structure with clear titles and easy-to-read bullet points. Say goodbye to cluttered slides. This is where Kimi truly excels. Advanced research. The tool can search hundreds of reliable web pages and academic sources in real time. Need the latest statistics on sea level rise? Kimi finds it and adds it directly to your slide. This saves you the hassle of fact-checking everything yourself. The worry about how the presentation looks is over. Kimi provides over 50 professional, ready-to-use templates. With one click, you can change the entire look. Attractive colors, consistent fonts, and a polished design ensure you get full marks for presentation style. We believe in flexibility. You can drag and drop elements, edit every word, and add your own images. And when you are completely satisfied, download the presentation in a PowerPoint format that is fully compatible with your university or school systems. You can even upload your own PDF or Word documents, and Kimi will analyze and summarize them into a focused and concise presentation. Transform the task of presentations from a burden to an opportunity to shine. Focus on your content and message, and let Kimi Slides handle the rest. Try Kimi Slides today and start creating your first professional presentations.